Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, spring rolls, samosa and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Today, we are making homemade corn syrup substitute or homemade corn syrup. Ingredients are 1 cup of white sugar, 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon of powdered salt, and 1 cup of water. Let's begin. In a bowl, add some water, half tablespoon of salt, and wash the lemons. In a frying pan with a heavy bottom, add the sugar and the water. Place the frying pan on your source of heat and then use a metal spoon to stir the sugar and the water together. Until the sugar dissolves in the water. Continue the stirring of the sugar water solution and then add in half tablespoon of salt. Stir the salt so that it dissolves as well. When the mixture starts to bubble up, cut one of the 2 lemons and then place them in the mixture. And stir the lemon with the mixture for about 10 minutes or until you notice the mixture has become thicker than how it was a few minutes ago. Now use the spoon to remove the lemon from the mixture. To check if the syrup is ready, fetch a little into a bowl of cold water. When you see that the mixture separates itself from the water by sinking at the bottom of the bowl, it means it's ready. Pour the syrup into a glass bowl. This is the consistency I need, or you should look out for. Although it is thick, it may look watery, but it doesn't matter because it will be thickened after a while as it cools down completely. For more flavor, I added in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and gave the mixture a good stir so that the vanilla essence mixes in with the syrup before it gets more thick. After 30 minutes of cooling down, this is the syrup consistency aimed at all along. You can use this syrup to flavor your fruit drinks and fruit juices, and guys, you are going to love it. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Make it a point to watch my videos this and every Thursday for wholesome content and amazing recipes that you can try out with your friends and family. I would like to use this opportunity to welcome you to the channel if it is your first time ever watching my video, and thank you for watching it till now. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. God bless you all. Let's all join hands